while they were seeking a constitutional reference to the Constitutional Court. My Lord, it is a submission that before any court refers any matter for constitutional reference, it must be satisfied that there is a question of law, that there is a question of law. Right for interpretation. Any matter that is guised under interpretation, but the actual sense of it is a violation of a human right, is not a matter that this court can refer for interpretation. This court has been extremely fair to the applicants. Right from the start to date. The premise of the application is the alleged complaint to the Judicial Service Commission. My Lord, there is no copy of that complaint. But even if there was a copy of that complaint, still, if that a complaint really exists, then it is the duty of the Judicial Service Commission to serve the same to the judicial officer and in fact determine it. My Lord, that letter has not been brought, or complaint has not been brought to the attention of the prosecution. My Lord, there is no act of the judicial officer so far that so there is no act, my Lord, of the judicial officer so far that requires constitutional interpretation. My Lord, our senior colleagues are aware that they have an option of filing an application of that nature before the Constitutional Court. That petition, yes. Thank you, Senior Counsel Kalibata. But as far as we know, the facts, my Lord, as they are, there is nothing worth interpreting. My Lord, we shall furnish you with the authority of Serugo Ismail. Versus Kampala City Council and Attorney General. In which it was stated that there must be a question of law. Otherwise, the Constitutional Court would be flooded with references. Which references, my Lord, in most cases, just like in the current matter, are intended to frustrate the process. So, my Lord, it is our submission that this court agrees with the prosecution that there is nothing to interpret and therefore to refer, and as such dismiss this application, my Lord. If it were a civil matter, it would be great to have it dismissed with costs.
Yeah.